Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick video on my Fantastic fans. I told you guys that I had two of them. I ordered two of them. I got both of them in, and this is the one inside the living area. And they're both the same. They're both reversible, so I can blow air in or have the air sucked out. It's not wired up or anything yet because I have to put my ceiling in, I have to run my wires, all that good stuff. But that is one. And this one is in the back section for different reasons. But here is number two. Same thing. Both of them are the same. They're reversible. They have the 3 speeds, manual, open, whatever. But yeah, so they're both the same. They're both in. And it's pretty awesome. Yeah, so I have a couple different reasons why I put two of them in there. One, obviously, for circulation in and out. So if I have the back doors closed, all the doors are closed, I can have my sliding pocket door open, and I can circulate the air from the living area through the back area, just circulating air that way. Or the other reason why I have one in the back section back there is because my air conditioner is back there. So, with that being said, that's supposed to suck out the hot air from the air conditioner. While I'm running the air conditioner, I'm going to have the sliding pocket door closed and the back windows open. So it sucks air in through the windows and then sucks the air or blows the air out of the back vent. That's the idea. So a lot of people are saying that I can't put an air conditioner in the way that I have it, but with the idea that I have, hopefully it works out. And yeah, so we shall see. But I think I overdid it. Well, I don't think I overdid it, but I definitely put a lot of that Dicor sealant on top. But I bought 2 tubes of it, and I would rather put a whole bunch of it on there and not have any leaks than not enough and end up with leaks down the road. So, but anyway, I use 2 tubes on both of the vents. It's supposed to be self-leveling and all that stuff, but you know, who knows? We shall see. But anyway, it's man, if these things leak, I don't know what to tell you. But they're pretty packed on there. But the cool thing is, man, is, you know, I mean, just looking from where I was standing, I mean, they're pretty low profile. You know, I mean, if I drive past somebody or whatever, they're not even going to pay attention. They're not even going to notice. You know, I'll be like, oh, what are those? You know, but I don't think anybody's really going to notice. Anyone's going to care. But they're pretty low profile, so it's pretty awesome. So these are the ones that I used, the 1250. They're both reversible, like I said. But hey, so when you're getting ready to do your installation, the first thing you need is a chainsaw, so you can cut holes in your roof. Nah, just playing, just joking. So anyway, so here I am measuring up like that. If you measure up like this, like a lot of people do, the actual insert that goes on the inside, it's not exactly 14 by 14. It's a little bit smaller, so just be be prepared if you try to trace the interior flange as a template or whatever, because they're not exactly 14 by 14. So you got to add some more on that. But anyway, yeah, man, just the basic idea is, make a 14 by 14 hole, square, and then you use a drill bit and you go in from the corners like it is here, just to make a little hole, and then you put in your jigsaw, and then you just trace around, follow the marks, follow the lines, and voila, you see the sky. No, but yeah, so but yeah, man, it's not that difficult. The hard part, I guess, is making that decision, to make that first hole in your roof. It's pretty difficult, You're like kind of nervous about that whole part, but once you get past that, you're good. But yeah, man, it's both vents are in, everything's cool. Hopefully it doesn't leak. I don't think it will, but I left myself some room in between the two for solar panels if I decide to do that route. But yeah, man, these are my two fantastic fans in my van. Any questions, comments, or anything like that, like the video, man. I appreciate the new subscribers. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. But I will see you later. Thanks for watching.